Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. On the menu today, healthy, vegan, vegetarian. We're going to make this super dal fry. So we've got some yellow TOOR dal, got some lovely spices in there, and as you can see, it's not like a soup, it's quite dry, this one. I'm serving this with some paratha. I have to get around to making paratha, roti and naan bread. I don't think I've ever done that, so I'll do that very soon. But yeah, I get that, I did that in there, it's delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Let's take a look at the ingredients we have here. They're very simple amounts of stuff we have. So we've got onion, I've got one onion there. And by the way, all of the amounts of everything is going to be in the text below. I've got one onion there, I've got 2 cups of cooked lentils. This is a TOOR dal. It takes about 20-30 minutes to cook. 1 tomato, some cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, garlic ginger paste. In here we've got some whole seeds, we've got some black mustard seeds, cumin seeds, cardamom pods and some dried chili. And right there I've got the big 4, which I always call the big 4. That's equal amounts of turmeric, coriander, cumin and chili powder. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil, add some salt, that's about it. So I'm using the sunflower oil. You could be using a different oil if you want. Let's just pop our whole seeds in there and get them going. So just again, green cardamom, dried chili, black mustard and cumin seeds in there. If you want to use some coconut oil, that could be quite nice as well. In goes our onion. I'm on quite a high heat. We're going to go for 2 minutes. Really wonderful. Already I just love this mixture that we've got there. We're now going to drop in our garlic ginger paste. Now garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger, which you can buy in a store in a jar, make it yourself, or if you want just put some chopped garlic and ginger in there, but the paste works out really nicely in this. I'm now going to go for that tomato. Going to add some salt. Then we're going to go in with our cooked dal. I'm using this yellow TOOR dal. You could use a different dal if you wanted. 5 minutes on this high heat. Keep it moving pretty much all the time now. We might get a bit of moisture from that tomato. Fantastic. Time for our spices. Let's just look at those one more time. The big 4, equal parts turmeric, coriander, cumin and chili powder. In it all goes. We're just going to stir this around for a few seconds. Now I'm going to add some water to this now. If you wanted, you could be using coconut milk instead of water. I'm keeping it really nice and simple. Those spices have really made that colourful now, and of course are going to make it taste amazing. Just over a cup of water there, I think. Staying on this high heat, I'm going to go for about 6 minutes. We're pretty much done. Okay, so as you can see, we've cooked this down now. There's not a lot of moisture in it, which is kind of where I want it to be. So off goes the heat. I'm going to drop in that cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. I'm also going to put in a couple of nice pinches of garam masala powder, which I didn't show you earlier. Give that a mix and that's done. That is beautiful. Now I love to eat this not with rice but with bread. Naan, paratha, roti. That is delicious. That's just where I want it to be. You can have it a little bit wetter if you want, but for me, that is perfect. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave us a message, say hello, give us a thumbs up. Lots of love.